You are welcome to Olusegun Maths Clinic. Today we want to solve these trigonometry questions which deals about a rectangle triangle. Inside it we also have another triangle. We were given the notations that P is equal to 34 degrees, PR is 20 centimeter, and PS is 24.21 centimeters. And so the first question says that you have to find the value of line XR. So in finding the value of line XR, what are the first important things to put in place is that you can decide to say that you can decide to say you consider triangle PXR. So you consider all the triangle. We represent this one by XR. So, and we have been given 20. So we have, let's just have a sine 34 degree will give us line XR over 24.12 centimeter. So this is how this will be. So we now use, you try to cross multiply to have something like XR times 1 is equal to 24.12 times sine 34 degree. So our XR will give us 24.12 times. So by the time I press it in calculator, the sine 34, it gives us 0.5592. So therefore we have a sine of this will give us, so by the time we multiply, we get the value of XR to give us 13.49 centimeter. So this is the value of XR. So the value of XR is now 13.49 centimeter. So from there, there's another question to say you have to find PQ. This is a PQ. Let's represent here by X. So here we give us 20 minus X. So if this is X, but recall, we are able to get the values of, we are getting the values of, so let's try to clean this. We have getting the values of, so now, what is the angle of SQ? Angle SQR will give us, SQR will be the sum of interior angle, which is equal to 34 degree plus 20. So it surely gives us 54 degree. So the angle here is 54 degree. 54 degree. So how do you calculate X? So to calculate X, you said tan 54 degree is equal to 13.49 over X. So this is over 1. So let's try to cross multiply. In crossing multiply, we have X times tan 54 times 13.49. So the value of our X will be, so what is, I'm able to get the value of tan 54, so it gives us 1.3, so it's, okay, is equal to, this is equality sign, so making 13.49 over tan 54 degree, so now, we should now give us 13.49 over, so the tan 54 will give us 1.374, 1.3764. So therefore, by the time you try to use calculator to do this, the value of our answer will surely give us 9.8 centimeter. So now here is X is 9.8 centimeter. So but the question says we have to find the PQ. So how do we find the PQ? And we know that our PQ is equal to 20 minus X, which is equal to 20 minus 9.8 all in centimeter. So our PQ will surely give us 10.2, which is 10.2 centimeter. So that is the value for the PQ. So now the question continues to say that find the areas of triangle PQXR. So how do you find the area? So of finding the triangle PQRS. So let's try to do that. So you're looking for the area. You know that the C part, the area of triangle PQX going to be half base times height. So now, if it is half base times height, what is our base? So it is now be 1/2 times our base is 20. Is 20 times what is our height? Our height is XR. That is the XR. So which is 13.49. So by the time we press it in calculator, it surely give us so 68.8 centimeter square. So don't forget, if you see that what you have able to have done since it has a meaning, don't forget to subscribe to these channels and also turn on your notifications on for more of this video. Thanks for watching.